Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to CyberSocks. In this video, you will learn how robot detect things, how robot know something is ahead of him. The answer of all these questions are IR sensor. So let's understood what IR sensor is. The IR sensor send invisible light. If something is in front, the light bounces back to the sensor so it knows an object is there. If IR sensor detects anything, it will send zero value to our brain. If IR sensor detects nothing, it will send 1 to our brain. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using CyberSox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using CyberSox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of our USB to our computer. Let's first connect our first IR and connect the other end of our 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Similarly, connect IR2 with our 3-pin cable and connect other end of the 3-pin cable to sensor 2 port. Now connect IR sensor 2 to this and IR sensor 1 to here. So before moving to our code, let's understand algorithm and flowchart of our program. As you can see in our algorithm, we are attaching our IR sensor 1 to sensor 1 port. We are attaching IR sensor 2 to our sensor 2 port. Then we are starting an infinite loop so we can read its values again and again. Then we are reading values from sensor 1. Then we are reading values from IR sensor 1 and printed. Same we are reading values from IR sensor 2 and printed. We will wait for 1 second and repeat this process again. So what we are doing right now is we are attaching our IR sensor 1 and 2 to our brain. After that, we will start an infinite loop and read values from IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2 and print their values in our console and repeat this process continuously. Now let's see flowchart. We are starting our program. We are creating our sensor 1, sensor 2. Then we are reading from IR sensor 1 and printed. Then we are reading from IR sensor 2 and printed and repeat this process again. Now let's code. First open Chrome browser and type CyberSox. Hit enter and visit cybersox.com. On the top panel, open block editor. As we understood in our algorithm, first we are going to create our IR pins. Go to pin and devices and select get IR sensor block. Write IR1 and choose sensor 1. Again pick get IR sensor block. Write its name to IR2 and choose sensor 2. Now we are going to take readings again and again. So we are going to pick our while loop. Go to control and pick while loop. Because we are going to do it infinitely, so we are going to set its condition to true. After this, we are going to read the value and print it. For this, pick print block. Then pick true value block from input and print. After this, pick string block from variables and string and set its value to IR1. Now for second value, we will print readings of IR sensor. For this, go to ESP logic and pick read digital value from. Because sensor name is IR1, we are going to write IR1. Similarly for IR2, just duplicate it, write it IR2. Here we are reading from IR2 sensor. We have completed our code. Let's click to connect brain button. Choose USB serial and click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Currently, it is showing 1 for both IR sensor because nothing is detected. If I put something ahead of it, as you can see, our IR sensor 1 is showing 0. Let's detect something from IR sensor 2. Now IR2 sensor is detecting something, so it is giving 0. Let's do this with both. Now both sensor is giving 0 because both sensor is detecting this plate. Let's compare our flowchart with our code. We are starting our program. We are creating IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2. We are creating IR sensor 1 on sensor 1 port. We are creating IR sensor 2 on sensor 2 port. Then we are read and printing our IR sensor 1. We are reading IR sensor 1 and printing IR sensor 1. We are reading IR sensor 2 and printing IR sensor 2. We are reading IR sensor 2 and printing IR sensor 2. Then we are reading continuously. We are also reading continuously using while infinite loop. Great job! Now you have understood how robot detects if something is in front of it or if it detects obstacle. If you have understood IR sensor and how to use it, please subscribe our channel and like this video.